Welcome to the channel. Today, we're looking at the top 5 best under-cabinet range hoods, carefully selected to help you keep your kitchen air clean, fresh, and free of smoke or grease. Whether you're upgrading your cooking space for performance, quiet operation, or sleek design, I've got options that suit different needs and budgets. Check the description below for updated prices, details, and product links. And if you enjoy helpful reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss future videos. Let's dive right in, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Viko Home Under Cabinet Range Hood. Viko Home's 30-inch under cabinet range hood brings serious power and precision to my kitchen. With dual 900 CFM motors, it boosts suction efficiency by 15%, clearing smoke and odors fast to keep the air fresh while I cook. The durable 5-layer aluminum mesh filters trap grease and particles effectively, and they're dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. I love the gesture sensing control system, which responds with 97% accuracy. No buttons, just a wave to adjust the 3-speed fan for perfect ventilation. Even at high power, it stays impressively quiet, operating between 35 to 65 dBA, so I can cook without background noise taking over. The complete installation kit made setup simple, and I appreciate the free replacements for filters and lights. With its sleek stainless steel finish and smart features, this range hood combines style, performance, and convenience. Ideal for busy kitchens that demand both power and peace. Number 4. Hoslane Range Under Cabinet Hood. The Hoslane 30-inch under cabinet range hood brings a sleek, modern touch to the kitchen while delivering powerful performance. The stainless steel design with digital touch screen blends seamlessly with contemporary appliances and feels solidly built. What stands out most is the powerful suction. It handles everything from frying to steaming without leaving behind smoke or odors. Even with dual motors, the low-noise operation keeps the kitchen atmosphere calm enough for conversation. The 6-speed customizable settings allow precise control over airflow and sound, adapting easily to different cooking styles. Maintenance is hassle-free thanks to the dishwasher-safe baffle filters, and the buttonless interface with delay shutoff adds a clean, intuitive experience. Warm LED lighting enhances visibility while complementing the overall ambience. With flexible ventilation options and a polished finish, this hood combines style, efficiency, and convenience in one dependable package. Ideal for busy kitchens that need both quiet power and easy upkeep. Number 3. Broan NuTone Under Cabinet Range Hood. The Broan NuTone 30-inch range hood delivers reliable performance in a compact, polished design. Featuring a fingerprint-resistant stainless finish, it stays clean and scratch-free, blending seamlessly with other appliances. Proudly made in the USA, it reflects durable craftsmanship and trusted quality. Ideal for kitchens without duct access, the non-vented design with a 2-speed blower efficiently pulls smoke and odors through a charcoal filter, helping maintain fresh air during cooking. The dishwasher-safe filter simplifies maintenance, and replaceable parts ensure long-term usability. Measuring just 6 inches high and 17.5 inches deep, it fits snugly under cabinets without taking up extra space. The polished finish adds a sleek touch, while the blower's quiet operation keeps the kitchen atmosphere calm. With its straightforward installation and dependable filtration, this hood is a smart solution for compact kitchens needing efficient, ductless ventilation. It's built to handle everyday cooking while keeping the air clean and the space looking sharp. Number 2. Cosmo Under Cabinet Range Hood. The Cosmo 30-inch under cabinet range hood delivers strong performance with a sleek, modern look. With 500 CFM airflow powered by twin centrifugal motors, it vents smoke and odors efficiently through a duct system, keeping the kitchen air fresh. The soft touch control panel makes it easy to adjust the 4-speed fan, lights, and power settings with just a tap. Noise stays low, just 40 dB on the lowest setting, so cooking stays peaceful even with the fan running. The ArcFlow stainless steel filters are both durable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple and cost-effective. Bright 1.5-watt LED lights provide excellent visibility while saving energy, and the included wireless remote adds extra convenience. With flexible ducting for easy installation and the option to convert to ductless with a separate kit, this hood adapts to different kitchen setups. Backed by a 2-year limited parts warranty, it's a reliable, high-performance choice for everyday cooking. Number 1. Fagga's Range Under Cabinet Hood. The Fagga's 30-inch under cabinet range hood offers a compact, efficient solution for smaller kitchens. Its 2-speed exhaust fan quickly removes smoke and grease, making it ideal for apartments and condos. Built with 430-grade stainless steel, the brushed finish resists corrosion and adds a clean, modern look. The multi-layer aluminum filter traps grease and oil effectively, and while the charcoal filter is sold separately, the included setup handles everyday cooking well. Operation is simple with rocker button controls, and the 2W LED lighting provides bright visibility while keeping energy use low. Even at high speed, the noise level stays under 57 dB, so cooking remains peaceful. Installation is straightforward with the included manual and video guide, and the hardwired design keeps the setup clean and minimal. Backed by a 1-year warranty, this range hood delivers reliable performance, easy maintenance, and a sleek appearance that fits both modern and classic kitchen styles. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay connected.